And this is Shake Shack at home. Yeah, so I guess you could tell I was stuck in quarantine, bored out of my mind. So I've been a really big fan of Shake Shack for a while now. And if you guys know any chefs out there, they'll probably agree with me. This isn't your regular fast food joint. Everything is made to order with top level ingredients. And in my opinion, they've perfected the classic American cheeseburger. So let's dive into the ingredients. With the help of Pat LaFrida Meats, they put together a signature blend for their burgers. And I'm not quite sure when this happened, but you can actually find that blend in supermarkets now, which wasn't always the case. But if you can't find it, don't worry, just use a high quality ground chuck, 80-20 blend. 4 to 5 ounces should be your right bun to meat ratio here. And then you're just gonna portion them out and pack them into like a really tight big meatball, like me. And for the buns, you're gonna like this. They use a very popular Martin's potato roll. Just lightly buttered and grilled. Lucky's Tomatoes down in Brooklyn has been their supplier for years, but I just found out recently that they're relocating, so those were impossible to get. But it's fine, any tomato like red, ripe, and juicy is perfect here. I'm going with a Roma plum tomato, just thinly sliced like a deli slice kinda. The lettuce they use is from a company called Gotham Greens. It's basically just a baby bib lettuce. Very easy to find in the supermarket. Any kind of brand is fine. And then just pick your favorite American cheese. I'm using Kraft Singles. Some Idaho russet potatoes for the Crinkle Cut Fries. And then the sauce, Shack sauce. It's basically just a fancy version of McDonald's special sauce, but it's really good. So just grab a blender or food processor and add in 2 cups of mayo, 1 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of yellow mustard, 1 dill pickle cut into slices, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and I'm gonna go with 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning. Zap it, taste it, and adjust with salt and some vinegar if needed. So now that we got all our ingredients for the burgers prepped out, we're gonna move on to the fries. I've never made crinkle cuts before, and I have a mandolin with like that little swivel blade, but I thought it'd be cool. I found this thing online on Amazon. Give me a sec. It was over here. Yo, dude, check this thing out. It's like your crinkle cut knife. It actually works really well. You don't want them too thin. They got to hold up in the water. About a 1/2 inch thick cut. I think that's the size we're looking for. So at the restaurant, we use a standard Belgian style 2-fry method, but with Shake Shack, I feel like they have like somewhat of a starchy coating on the outside. So for the first cook, what I decided to do was boil them about halfway through and adding some baking soda to the water. Let's see if it works. If not, we'll try it again. I'm sure they're gonna come out fine. All right, so work that out, get your fries pre-cooked, and then we're gonna set up our station to put these bad boys together. I'm excited. All right, so this part can get a little hectic. Putting your burger together and having the fries being ready at the same time. This is what I do. Get your station completely set up. All your ingredients next to you. You wanna get a fryer set up. You wanna get the oil up to 375 degrees. So for the burger, Shake Shack uses a large flat top griddle. But all I have in here is a cast iron pan. That'll work just fine. If you have one of those griddle plates, that'll work even better. You have extra surface for the buns and the meat at the same time. But we're gonna make do with a cast iron pan. So get everything set up close by, all your vegetables, your sauce, your pre-cooked potatoes, your burger patties, and let's get to work. So we're gonna season the burgers with a little salt and pepper and get those buns lightly buttered. So if you have one sitting around at home, or if you've ever seen one, those little grill presses, that's what they use to get the burger nice and flat down on the grill. I don't have one, I'm using my hand today with a heavy metal spatula. That should do the trick too. So lightly oil the pan and crank up the heat. We really want a nice sear on this side of the patty. The texture is everything in this burger. All right, so because I'm working with limited space on this cast iron pan, I decided to grill the buns off first. Just like that. Just like a nice little toast on the outside of those things, all right? And right when you see a little smoke coming off the grill, smash that burger down, flatten it out to roughly the size of your bun. Be patient and wait for that perfect sear. So now at this point, we want to drop down our first batch of fries. They take about 5 minutes to get to the color we want. You're gonna grab a mixing bowl right when the fries are ready. You want a little oil on the surface of the fry to make that salt stick. All right, burger's ready to flip. That's the texture you need for a Shack burger. Now add 1 slice of yellow American. Shack sauce. Both sides like that. Got lettuce on the bottom. And right on the top. Just like that. Finish with a couple tomatoes. I think the burger is just about there, guys. Crunchy. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm really excited. It's the first time I made Shake Shack at home. Shake that thing out. Alright, let's take a bite. The Shack sauce, I got it on my face. The Old Bay really came out. It has a little more acid than Shake Shack does, which I actually like. I think they lack a little acid, so you taste it a little more. But look at those fries, man. Look at those damn fries. Just like that. Nice and fluffy on the inside. And a nice crunch on the outside, man. Really happy with those. It's all about the technique. You really, Pound Frito does have good beef though, so you really taste the good beef. But that's it. Enjoy. Martin's potato rolls are out of this world. So that's Shake Shack at home. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so happy to be back and healthy. I wish you guys a happy and healthy new year, and new video coming soon. See you guys next time. Peace.